Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I colored this wig to this honey blind looking wig from this black wig here. And if you guys want to see how I transform this wig from a black wig to this honey blind wig with highlights, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so this is how the wig originally looked when I purchased it, and right now we about to get ready to color this hair using a L'Oreal dye for black hair. I am using the blind color. And with this dye, you basically just put it into a mixing bowl, and I'm using the 40 volume developer, and you pretty much mix it. And this hair is basically for dark color hair, which is black hair, and it basically is going to turn this hair blind. I believe I have the honey blind dye, but all I have to do is put this all over the hair, and I pretty much let this dye sit on this hair for about 24 hours. So I pretty much just sectioned my hair off into 4 sections, and I put the dye all over the hair. And again, I use Numinol and put the Numinol over the hair, and I let this dye process for 24 hours. And once I was done letting it process, it pretty much turned into a really pretty honey blind color. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looked once I washed the dye out of it and I let it air dry overnight. And this is the color I got, a really cute like honey blind color. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to get ready to add pretty much highlights to this wig. So what I did was section off a piece in the front and a section in the back, because these sections I want the hair to be much lighter. So I want to lift this this hair here to a really light blonde hair. So I sectioned off those 2 parts and I bleached them using the 40 volume developer, because I wanted to bleach to a higher blonde color. Y'all don't judge me right now. I'm up here dyeing this wig right now in my robe. So I just was trying to get this wig done. This wig pretty much took me 2 days to dye. You know what? I see why I don't spend too much time dyeing hair, because it pretty much takes too long to do this. Dyeing a wig is a long process, especially if you're doing step by step, you know, dyeing your wig. But anyway, you guys, I'm just chilling trying to dye this wig in my robe. Okay, so right now I'm just bleaching the section in the front where again I want the color to be a really light blonde color. And once I was done bleaching this section, I let the dye sit on there, the bleach sit on there for a few hours, not even, maybe I think like 30 minutes. I let it sit on there. Then once I let that sit, I kind of went back into the wig and went to just picking certain spots out to highlight, but I didn't want those sections to be as light as my front section and my back section. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I'm gonna go in and tone this up with the Wella T11, and I decided to add toner because it was looking a little brassy, a little orange. So what I did, I had one box of the Wella T11 and I put two part developer to that one box of T11, which I could have used 2 boxes because I definitely ran out of toner and I just pretty much had to improvise with whatever I had. But in the end, it turned out really nice, but I wish I would have had 2 boxes. But yeah, once I was done mixing that, you guys, I just pretty much put it on the sections that I really wanted to tone, because again, I didn't have enough boxes. But I mainly put it on the lighter blind sections, which was in the back and also in the front section that I parted out. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the coloring, I pretty much let this wig dry overnight and I curled it using my really big wine curler that again I got from like Walmart, you guys. So right now I'm just pretty much cutting the lace off. I'm only going to cut the lace off enough to secure down my front section, which I'm going to be using the Got To Be freeze spray, because I'm not going to be having this wig on for a long time, you guys, because I am about to get ready to put braids in my head. So I just want this wig to stay on for maybe a week. So I just decided to just tack it down with the Got To Be spray. But yeah, you guys, so once I did that, I pretty much blow dried it and pretty much tied it down, and it was pretty much done. And once I did that, I cut off the rest of the lace, and yeah, my wig was tacked down. Guys, so right now I'm pretty much about to create my baby hairs. So how I create my baby hairs, I only take a little small sections out, and I use my little eyebrow pencil to cut down my baby hairs, because you know your baby hairs is not supposed to be that long. And to slick them down, I am using a got2b gel. Usually I use mousse, but I don't have any more, so I'm going to be using this gel today. And you guys, you can pretty much create your baby hairs however you see fit, that fit your head, but I am real particular about my baby hairs because I feel like the baby hairs is what makes your wig look natural. So if your baby hairs don't look natural, then I feel to believe your wig would not look natural. So just make sure that you make those baby hairs as natural as possible. Okay guys, so right now I am finishing up with my baby hairs. Usually my baby hairs take me a minute because I'm very particular on how they look. But once I am done with my baby hairs, I pretty much took a little foundation and put into my part so that my part can match with my skin tone. Not that I really needed the foundation, but I just wanted my part to match with my skin tone a little more. And once I was done with putting the foundation in my part, I took a little bit of my bronzer and put it on the lace to make the lace non-visible so that it can match with my skin tone a little more. And once I was done that, I was pretty much done with this wig, and here is the finished look. You guys let me know what you thought of this transformation, and if you like this video, make sure that you thumbs it up, and also you guys make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell button so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified.